What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Trey Bucci back with another video, and today we have a bodyweight leg workout, no weights. It's an intense hit workout, so we got 45 seconds on, 15-second rest. So before we get into it, make sure you like and subscribe. Head over to gngfitness.us for customized online workouts. As well, head over to our new Patreon, GNG Fitness Training, and they're starting at $3 just to support. You can get tips, and then from there there's different tiers where you can get bonus video, a week workout plan every month. So it's a lot of benefits, and to help support GNG, especially in this time right now. We have squats, we have alternated lunges, we have heel curls, we have king squats, alternating hip thrusts, squat holds, calf raises, alternating stiff leg deadlifts, speed squats. Alright, so I will put that all in the description, and then the order doesn't necessarily matter, but I do want you to start with squat jumps to really get your blood flowing. And remember, stretching. This is not just a 10-15 minute workout. Stretch, foam roller, hip mobility, dynamic warm up, whatever you do, add that in. All right, so squat jumps first, and then we're gonna end with the holds at the end. All right, so remember, make sure you like and subscribe. Follow us on Patreon, Instagram, and Facebook at GNG Fitness Training, as well as my personal Bucci Obama. Go and get it.